In this video, I will show you how to set up various payment options on Shopify, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and other payment gateways. To get started, log into your Shopify account and go to the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings menu at the bottom left. In the Settings panel, find and click on Payments. This section displays all the payment methods connected to your store. To allow payments via credit cards or other popular methods, set up Shopify Payments or a third-party payment gateway. Shopify Payments is recommended for its simplicity and immediate activation. Once Shopify Payments is enabled, connect your bank account to accept payments seamlessly. Under the Manage tab, you can adjust settings, including which credit cards to accept, such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and Diners Club. You can also enable Shop Pay and Shop Pay installments, allowing customers to save their information for faster checkout or to split payments into installments. Shop Pay installments, on the other hand, allows customers to pay for their orders over time in manageable portions. Additionally, Shopify Payments lets you activate wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Meta Pay, giving customers more convenient payment options. Now, let's go back to the Payments tab in the Settings menu and explore the additional payment methods you can add to your Shopify store. If you're unable to use Shopify Payments or want to accept payments that Shopify Payments doesn't cover, you can select from over 100 third-party payment providers. Currently, I have PayPal and Amazon Pay enabled, so when customers check out from my store, they'll see these options alongside Shopify Payments. Now, let's walk through the process of adding a new payment method to the Shopify store. First, we'll check out the various available payment gateways and providers. To see the available payment providers in your country, go to shopify.com/payment-gateways. This page lists all the different payment providers Shopify supports globally. As you scroll down, you'll find a menu where you can select your country or region. Shopify partners with many international payment providers, making it easier for customers to pay in their local currency using familiar payment methods. For instance, I'll select the United States from the right menu. This will show me all the available payment gateways for the US. Shopify Payments is available here, and I highly recommend enabling it if possible. However, if we scroll further, we'll see many other payment providers that support both traditional payments like credit cards and modern options like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. When choosing a payment provider, remember to check the accepted currencies, rules, and fee structures to avoid surprises later. Now, let's return to the Payments menu in the Shopify dashboard and go through the steps to add a new payment method. In the Additional Payment Methods section, you'll find a button labeled Add Payment Method. Click this button to access a page where you can search for different payment providers. Under the Search by Payment Method tab, you can look up available payment options. I already have Shopify Payments and PayPal enabled, but I'd like to accept cryptocurrency payments too. Let's search for USD, a popular stablecoin. From the results, I can see 3 providers that offer cryptocurrency payment processing. It's crucial to review each provider's fees, terms, and supported currencies before making a selection. If you already know the provider you want to use, you can switch to the Search by Provider tab on the right. Here, you can search directly for the payment provider's name to find more information about their services. Since I trust Coinbase for crypto payments, I'll search for Coinbase Commerce. The results confirm that Coinbase Commerce supports several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and USD. To proceed, click the Activate button next to Coinbase Commerce and follow the on-screen instructions. Each provider has its own configuration process, but you'll generally need to sign in or create an account, then connect it to Shopify. After completing the setup, don't forget to click Activate at the bottom to enable the payment method for your online store. With Coinbase Commerce activated, we can return to the Payments menu to confirm its status. Under Additional Payment Methods, Coinbase Commerce now appears as active, which means customers can use it during checkout. Let's go to the online store to verify this. When customers reach the payment stage, they'll see options for credit cards via Shopify Payments, PayPal, and the newly added Coinbase Commerce for cryptocurrency transactions. Shopify also offers accelerated checkout options, which streamline the checkout process by allowing customers to save their payment details. To enable these, go to the Online Store tab in the Shopify dashboard and click Customize next to your current theme. This opens the theme editor where you can adjust page layouts and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Products and choose the default product page. In the left-hand menu, locate the Product Information section and select Buttons. Here, you'll find the option to show dynamic checkout buttons. Check the box to display buttons like Buy It Now, as well as branded buttons for Shop Pay, Apple Pay, or PayPal if enabled. Additionally, you can display payment icons in your store's footer. To do this, go to the Footer section in the theme editor and check the box for Show Payment Icons. This will display icons for all available payment methods, reassuring customers that their preferred payment options are supported. That's a detailed guide on Shopify Payments and third-party payment gateways. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.